Christmas Eve. I went to my home very well. It's a good time. Thank you so much.
If that's the case, that's good to hear. So, who is absent for today's session?
Actually, sir, there is no absent today, sir.
Okay, very good again, class. So, let me raise my house rules and regulations. So first, I want all of you to listen to my discussion. Like, so, I want to raise my house rules and class regulations. So first, I don't want you to see using your phone if not necessary or unneeded. Next, please avoid talking to your seatmates. Third one is if you want to answer or say something, please raise your right hand so that I can give you my attention and let you give your answer or certain place. Okay? And the last one and for most important is respect or listen. Because for me, the definition of respect is listening. If you listen to my discussion, that means you are respecting me. And also I will respect you in return. Okay?
Sure.
So, on our previous discussion, who can remember what was our topic all about? Mr. Yao?
Maybe I'm talking all about mental enforcement.
Okay, exactly. It is all about metal reinforcement using direct and unit area and unit CHB method by area method. Is that right? Okay. So in our previous class, we have discussed only the area on how calculating the vertical and horizontal reinforcement using area method. So that was being discussed last meeting. So in this afternoon, we will going to discuss another topic. But before that, we have an activity first. And this is called the wordscape game. So please listen to my mechanics so that you can understand. Okay? So in this activity, I will divide you into two groups. This is group 1 and this is group 2. So I will provide you a sheet of paper comprising a puzzle box. So in this activity, you are tasked to complete the puzzle box by answering the question that I will going to show if the activity will start. So there are also key letters that are given in this puzzle box in order for you to give more hints that you can easily complete the puzzle box. Okay? So within 3 minutes, the first group that who can complete the puzzle box or get more correct answer will be announced as the winner and will claim my prize right after the class. So let's start the activity. Okay? So here's the sheet of paper. So don't kayo sabi niya ha. Okay. Let me give the sign to answer. So the time will start now. Read the definitions that you can answer it.
Sir, I'm check, sir.
You have 1 minute and 30 seconds to answer.
Vertical,
pass your paper. Okay, so based on your answer sheet, I think Mr. Leroy have win the activities. Okay, congratulations. You can claim your prize after class. Okay. So, based on our activity, what would be our possible topic for this session or discussion? Okay, Mr. Leroy again.
In exercise, we have discussed the method of solving the horizontal and vertical reinforcement steel bars. I think it is the information of topic, which is still the metal reinforcement but using the different.
Okay, exactly. And that different method that we mean is read, everyone.
The area and unit CHV method.
Okay. So this time we will going to calculate using the area and unit CHV method by block process. So our last topic is all about still this one, the area and unit CHV method, but it is using area method. So in area method, it is simple, but this one, I think this one is more simple because the process is very easy. And in this topic also, you will going to know or understand more about calculating using the block method. So our objective for this discussion is you, my student, should be able to calculate the volume of vertical and horizontal steel reinforcement using the area and unit CHV method by block. Okay. So first, let's define what is the area and unit of CHV method. So here's the definition. Mr. Leroy, can you read?
This is the simplest method of computing the steel reinforcement for CHV with the aid of maps or the table wherein the values presented includes the allowances for splice and bend.
Yes, it is the simplest method of computing the steel reinforcement because in this time you will just going to solve for the area, get the pieces of CHV that you will going to use, and then you can get or calculate the vertical and horizontal reinforcement. So let me show you the step on how to get the vertical, horizontal, how to calculate the pieces and the area using this by block method. So here's the first procedure. So let me show you my illustration. So this is the illustration. As you can see in the illustration, the length of the pins is 4 meters, while the height of the pins is 2.60, but we add its footing because in footing we will need, it is necessary to use a reinforcement or a steel bars. So we need to add this one, so we come up to 3 meters high. So again, what would be our length?
4 meters.
Okay, 4 meters. And what would be our height?
3 meters, sir.
3 meters.
Yeah.
So we will just simply multiply these two. So 4 times 3 meters is equal to 12. And what would be the unit?
Square meters, sir.
Okay. Why is it that it becomes square meter? You can answer, Mr. Tel.
Because that is the unit area, sir.
Okay. Very good. Okay. So since we have done the step 1, we will go pieces.
150 pieces of concrete hollow blocks.
Yes. So our number of concrete hollow blocks would be 150 pieces.
So it means that in the area of 12 square meter, we need a 150 pieces of HB.
Yes, exactly and precisely correct. So now let's proceed to the step 3. Saan ako iikot? So here. So in step 3, vertical reinforcement per block at 80 centimeter on center. So multiply. So in the formula, pieces is multiplied by the vertical reinforcement per block. So referring to Max Farber's table, so we will rely on this table. Okay? Okay, how many pieces that we will going to use in this area?
150.
Okay, 150 pieces. And based on our vertical reinforcement per block, we will use 80.80 centimeters on center. So here it is. We will focus on this part because we are finding the vertical reinforcement. So here is 8.80 meter. So the equivalent of 0.80 meters per block is
1.60 sir.
per block.
Per block. 0.128 sir.
Okay, so our the equivalent of 0.80 per block is 0.128. So again, let's multiply these two numbers. What would be the result?
19.2.
Exactly, it is 9.2 meters. 19.2 meters rather. Okay. So the next step is, since we have already find the vertical reinforcement at 0.80 meters on center, now we're going to find the horizontal reinforcement for every after 3 layers. So this is under step 3. So again, pieces times the horizontal reinforcement per block. So our pieces again is 150 times our horizontal per block, referring to Max Farber's table, is
2.50.
0.172.
okay, very good. So 0.172. So our answer would be 25.8 meters. Okay. Since we have already get the area, the number of hollow blocks, the vertical and horizontal reinforcement, let's convert it to the commercial length. So the commercial, or the most common length being purchased by constructor or any workers in the masonry job, is 4 to 6 meters in length. So now 4 to 6 meters. That is the common length that we purchased by masonry workers.
Sa reverse.
Yes.
6 meter.
So now we will going to convert it. So 19.2 meters. So we need 0.8 meters to have an hole 20 meters.
Okay.
Right? Sakto, di ba?
Sir.
So we will going to order for vertical reinforcement. We will going to order 4 pieces of
5
10 mm by 5 meters long. So if we try to add this, if we try to calculate this, it is equivalent to
20 meters.
So we will only exist 8.8 meters. So we have already done that one. So let's move on to the horizontal reinforcement. So in the horizontal reinforcement, we have 25.8 meters. Convert to commercial length. We will have a
4 pieces of 5, then 1 pieces of 6.
oh yes, So now, we will just easily add these two so that we can get our order.
Sir.
So, here. So, let's just simply add these two. We have 8 pieces at
10
10
mm
mm
by 5
by 5 meters long
and 1 piece.
and
One piece of 6
1 piece
of 6 meters
of 6 meters long steel
Bars.
bar. Okay, so that's the process on how to calculate the vertical and horizontal reinforcement using by block method. Did you observe that we use only by
So,
block method?
Through this method, we can calculate the exact quantity of the rebar that we need, and also we can calculate the total amount of it. If
Yes.
we have a price of each rebar.
Yes, exactly. You can easily get the total expenses that you need
Yeah.
in this project or if you want to buy these materials. So, if there's any question,
Question?
Answer.
Answer?
no more question.
That's all it is.
Very well, sir. Very well. Very good. Very fine. So,
Okay, we need to review it.
not really know. That's okay, sir.
Okay. So if that's the case, what do you think is the importance of calculating all of these topics? The pieces, the area, and the vertical and horizontal reinforcement using the block method. What is the importance of this? Mr. Heroy? Yes.
Personally speaking, sir, I think the importance of the CHP method in solving the vertical and horizontal reinforcement steel bars is that it is very important for us to save in the future and also avoid adding cost of steel bars, sir.
Very good, exactly. Yes, it is very true that we need to calculate all of this because in masonry work or in masonry industry, everything should be planned, organized, calculate, especially the materials and the measurement of all the parts of a masonry jobs. And also, if we will build a fields, house or buildings, we can calculate the vertical, horizontal reinforcement of this so that we can avoid excessive orders, excessive cuts, and also for us to save some unnecessary expenses. Okay, understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's the case. We're going to have another activity. So here I will just read or I will just write the dimension that we will go into. So,
Sir.
okay. So this time you will go into solve a I will change this one. Okay. This is a Viper activity. You can do this. Wait, 2, 3. So our length, our length would be 6 meters, and our height would be 3 meters, and our footing would be 1 meter. Okay. The same with this one. Vertical reinforcement would still be 0.80 meters on center and every other 3 layers for its horizontal.
0.80 ka ba dyan? 0.80.
Okay. Try to solve it by pair. Remember the process, you need to follow these steps. Remember that we're using per block method. Per block method. So you only have 2 minutes left. Okay, time's up. So let finish or not finish, please pass your paper. Okay. So your answers are all correct. Very good. I
Yes.
think you are very ready for our quiz since you have absorbed what I have been tackled here in front. So now, let's proceed to our quiz. So I have prepared one more sheet of paper. And I will just read my instructions. So please listen carefully so that you can follow. You will write the numbers or dimension that I will going to state. Okay? So, here's the situation. Mr. Jobert is an owner of the largest computer shop in the Philippines. He planned to create a strong and durable pits, so he contacted masonry workers to work for his pits, measuring a length of 15 meters with a height of 3.70 meters and a footing of 0.30 meters. Now, find the volume of the vertical reinforcement per block at 40 meters on center and its horizontal reinforcement for every after 2 layers. So you will give it this quiz. It will be allotted for 5 minutes. And the time will start now. Ayun na, balik sa akin. Yaga, gusto ko balik.
Okay.
Are you done?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay, I will collect your paper. Please give it to me. Okay, class. Once again, thank you very much for your cooperation, for your presence, and for your all your efforts. And so by now, I want you to study in advance